Hello, and today we've got this Zerem number 400 multi-wrench. It's like a socket bar with 8 different size sockets. Bit of a state, bit rusty, and the edge is very chewed up and banged about, as you can see here. I'm going to finish this off with a little bit of pearlescent paint today. So first of all, we'll try it on a nice big vicious wire wheel, flick off all the rust marks and clean up and see what we've got. As you can see on there, it's already starting to get a shine on it just from this rough old wheel. Now this is the very hard wheel. We can't get this hard wheel in there, that bit of rust out, so we're going to swap to a lighter wire wheel, much softer. The bristles bend into the gaps on this. Still there is places it can't get into. So for those places, we swap to the 3M non-woven fibre wheel, which seems to get in near enough everywhere else. So now we have a 99% D-rated wrench. Time to have a look at this rough old edge here. That's got deep digs. Someone's hit that with something. So we have to put this on the belt sander to clean those off. When this one turned up with the dents and the digs and the rust, I was curious to how clean and well finished this would actually come out. Even the ends had dents and digs out. It was like someone had used the whole wrench as a hammer, turned it round, used the other end as a hammer, and done all the edges in. And now over to the most wonderful of inventions, fibre wheel. Okay, so this is how horrible and rusty it looked when we started, and this is what it looks like now. Okay, so I've used car touch-up paint, pearlescent red. It's for a Peugeot. Just going around the edges now with a bit of dry, wet and dry paper, just to sharpen the lines up. And I reckon that's it. We can call this done. It doesn't really look any different from normal red paint to me. Still, got that edge reasonably clean, just couldn't get that out. That is too deep, that dig. This side come out lovely. Nice and smooth. Somewhere about 100 videos back, I've got where I did a Williams and I used orange. I think I prefer the orange to the red. This is a handy size wrench to carry about. It's 10 inches from end to end. I'll put a link at the end to the Williams one of these, in case, just see how similar they are. That's all for today. I've got some more tour soon. They're all recorded. I've just got to find the time to edit them and get. Okay, have a good day. Bye for now.